Hello friends, it's Anaya, and let me take you to the Croy beach. I'll see you there. So now we're going to down the steps to Croy beach. Look at the view. We brought a bodyboard here and we slid down the steep sand. Anyways, today I'm going to share with you yummy chicken ginger recipe made by my dad. Hello friends, after eating that spicy but delicious chicken ginger, I decided to go to the beach to cool down.
Assalamu alaikum friends. This new recipe of chicken ginger, which myself, Dada with Anaya made this.
Yeah, it is very delicious and yummy. You're going to add half a cup of oil in a pot.
After oil been heated up, first thing you add is finely chopped onions.
Yeah. We're gonna fry this and add 2 teaspoons of salt. We are adding 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste.
We're gonna add some turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon as written. We are going to finely chop the tomatoes into smaller pieces so that we can add tomatoes later on.
We are adding the chopped tomatoes. Now you are going to fry it.
Now, if you can see, I have very finely chopped, equally small pieces of chicken. I'm going to show you in a minute. So they're going to be all similar sizes. We're going to now add our equally diced chicken, breast chicken, into our early cooked masala ready. Okay, and we mixing it so that it's sort of kind of marinated while being cooked.
And then you have marinated chicken.
Wow, yes, kind of. Okay,
we are going to put the lid on and let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes.
Yes, and maybe a bit longer. This is the longer part, the cooking part. That now the chicken is cooking in its own water. So we do not add any water at all into this dish. Okay, it's already have the water of the onions, then tomatoes, and the chicken itself. So it's going to cook all within its own water content, which is already there. Okay. We didn't add much water. So where does all that water come from? You know, all that chicken is a lot of water is there already. Okay, yeah, you can see it.
The chicken is tender, so I finish evaporating the water.
Yes, so you're cooking it to the extent that the water dries up. Okay, well done. You are a master chef now, Naya. It looks like the water is nearly gone.
Yeah.
First, we're going to prepare the green chilies, cutting them into small pieces. I like to cut my ginger into similar small pieces because then it gives you the same taste every bite. And we're gonna add half a cup of yogurt to make it a little bit creamy.
Yeah. And now you're gonna add green chilies and ginger.
Yes, well done. And I keep a little bit of green chilies and some ginger to garnish it. Okay. Actually, the green chilies and the ginger seems to be cooking well with the yogurt. It nearly kind of mixed up and gone. The oil is becoming a little bit more visible, and you can see the oil. What that means is the water is gone and the becoming a little bit
So
more.
that means our chicken ginger is ready.
Yes, well done. So, my little chef, tell me, how does it look like?
It looks delicious. And you probably want to eat it from the screen right now. Look, I'm in the sea. I'm going to cool down. Can you see the big waves and all the people here? It was very hot that day. Look at all the bubbles as they're coming past. Look at me splashing around in the water.
Is it? Okay, well, let's see. If people will follow our instruction exactly the same, I'm sure it's going to be very, very tasty. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. If you like the food, you enjoy the food, watch it, subscribe it, and like it.